Hello children, the topic which we're going to discuss today is magnet. So we all have seen magnet and we know what is the function of magnet. So what it does, we know everything about magnet. Now we will be knowing more about this magnet in this chapter. So first discovery of magnet. So it was discovered 4000 years ago in Greece when a shepherd named Magnus was once with his herd. He was there in a place. Now while walking in that place, his stick suddenly got stuck into one of the stones, and not only that stick, his shoes also got stuck in that stone. So later on, he found that the stone was a magnetic material, and with the help of that, they came to know that this stone can also help them finding direction. That's why this stone was known as your lodestone, which means leading stone. So with the help of the stones, they were able to find the direction, and later on, this type of rock was subsequently named as magnetite. And the name might be given to the name might have been given from the person himself, whose name was Magnus, or it can be given from the name. So the area where he was with his herd, that place was known as Magnesia. So this was the brief history of magnet. Now magnetic and non-magnetic material. Now magnetic substance are those substances which attracts iron, nickel and cobalt. So whenever this substance, any substance made with iron, nickel and cobalt are brought very close to a magnetic material, it will try to attract. And naturally occurring magnets are your magnetite. We also have some artificial magnetite, like we can see in the diagram out here. And horseshoes is shown cylindrical magnets, and we also have bar magnet. Now this is an example of magnetic material. Now non-magnetic material are those substance, this was the definition of magnet. Now magnetic and non-magnetic, in this world they are magnetic and non-magnetic material. So magnetic material are those substance which gets attracted when they are brought very close to magnet. Example, your iron and nickel are all your magnetic materials, and non-magnetic materials are those materials which cannot be attracted, or which doesn't have any influence when a magnet is brought closer to it. Now different shapes of magnet, like you see in the diagram, we have three different shapes: bar, horseshoes and cylindrical. These are all your magnet. Now poles of the magnet. As you can see in the diagram out here, you can see the red and the gray portion. So these are known as the poles of the magnet. So usually your red portion is your north one and your silver portion is the south one. So magnet, all the magnet, it has two poles, north and south. And if you see in the diagram, if you try to cut between here, if you try to cut this portion, it will separate into north and south. So again, you will be getting a small portion of, if you separate this, you might be thinking that it will get separated into north and south. But again, that separated magnet will again form north and south out here, north and south out here. And if you again try to cut it, it will form north and south again out here, and north and south out here. So if now, however pieces you might make, you will always be getting a north and south in a magnet.